Becky, this is Steve Dahl over here at Jackie Cooper Infinity. Wanted to give you a quick tour of that 2016 QX80 that we had talked about. Hope the wind's not too bad. It's really windy here. Gonna try to guard the microphone a little bit. Hope that helps. You can going all the way around, take a quick tour, open up the back for you. Of course, it's got the power lift gate. Comes with the carpeted floor coverings, 12-volt socket, power return and recline. So you can see those recline in a 60-40 split. Give you a tour a little bit up into the front of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the second row seating. Second row captain's chairs. Nice large center console. Plenty of storage available. Storage. Cup holders. And then additional storage inside. Tri-zone climate control with your vents along the ceiling on both sides. On into the driver's seat. You got your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, as well as retracting mirrors. Seat settings, safety settings. Center display gives you your tachometer and speedometer, as well as center display. Steering wheel controls for radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, as well as intelligent cruise control, and all of your distance control assistant and safety features. Display gives you your maps. A little bit hard to see. Also has a round view monitor. There we go. Get you your information station, on down to your climate control and your radio. Then down below, heated steering wheel, heated driver's side seat, heated passenger seats. You have remote start, lock, unlock, lift gate, and then panic on the remote. Four-wheel drive. Large center display available with auxiliary input. Of course, the sunroof, moonroof. And then back again, give you a quick look at the rest of the vehicle from the front. All in all, these are really nice vehicles. Love to have you come by, take a look at it. Shoot me over any questions that you might have. Love to answer them for you. Again, my name is Steve. You can reach me at 918-806-8233. That's 918-806-8233. Thanks a lot.